Hey guys, I have a video I'm putting out right now. It's from my dash camera on my Lincoln Town Car. Last week I was driving to Phoenix, Arizona, and while I'm driving, a car comes on from the right. There's a car passing me on the left. I can't get over to let him on, so instead of getting over or speeding up and causing a problem, I slow down and let him get in front of me. And you can see in the video that the guy sticks his hands out, flips me off, and then once that car that's on my left clears me, I just go around the car and then come over and get in front of the one car, and then that car that came on comes around me and throws an open full beer can at my car. Almost hits my windshield and throws beer all over the front of my car. My mom and dad are in the car with me. But so you'll hear them in the video, but I want you guys to watch the video and let me know what I did to piss this guy off, or did I do anything to piss him off. But let me know and put some comments down on what you think I did wrong. Thanks.
The first page was a letter from his handler telling him what he must do. He was to kill a man who had brought about the deaths of scores, perhaps hundreds of his Muslim brothers. His handler would help guide him, but Kamir was to have the honor of avenging those lives. He was to wait for a text message that would direct him to his objective. The second page was a description of the target, a home address, a list of places he was known to frequent, and a description of his vehicle. On the third page was printed a series of photos. One that looked like a mugshot of a man in a military uniform. Another full-body candid shot of what appeared to be the same man. A photo of a small but well-kept suburban home.
What did I do to
that guy? That guy that was recently dead.
He was flipping us off, Cheryl. Went by us and he put his finger up in the air and he was flipping us off, and then so when Cody went around he was still flipping us off. Oh, stop it. Stop it.
No, Cody. What did she throw?
He threw beer all over my car.
Don't throw it. Call the cops. Get the ad. They would say that this guy threw something on the police.
It's not fucking worth it. That's pretty much the whole entire incident that happened. There's no editing in that except for when I jump from my dash camera records in 3-minute increments, and that car comes in at the end of a 3-minute increment and it starts another 3-minute increment, and then the only other edit is when is from when the car comes from the back to the front. I added that all in, but it's pretty much raw footage. So leave your comment and let me know what I did wrong to this guy, and if anyone knows who this guy is, tell the cops. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Let me know what I did wrong. Bye.